Do you wait to feel motivated before you start something important? But what happens when the excitement fades? When the work feels boring or hard? Real success isn't about feeling ready. It's about showing up, even when you don't feel like it. Let's listen to a short story about it. David was a young watchmaker. He had bright eyes and big dreams. He loved new ideas. He started many projects, but he rarely finished them. Too boring, he'd say. I'll do it when I feel inspired. One day, his grandfather gave him a task. Fix this old clock. It hasn't ticked in 50 years. At first, David was excited. This will be amazing. But soon, the work became slow. Tiny gears, dusty springs, no quick fixes. Day after day, the clock stayed silent. His hands ached. His heart grew heavy. He almost gave up. I don't feel like doing this anymore, he whispered. Then, he found his father's old journals. Inside, one sentence stood out. Craftsmanship isn't born from excitement. It's built one boring hour at a time. David sat quietly. He realized greatness lives in the routine. The next morning, he didn't wait to feel like it. He sat at his table. He picked up his tools, and he worked just for 10 minutes. Then, the next day, again and again, slowly. The gears turned, one click, then another, until tick-tock, tick-tock, the clock came alive. David smiled, not because it was done, but because he had stayed. Now, let's learn some English words from this story. The word motivation means the feeling that makes you want to do something. For example, my motivation to learn English is to talk with new friends. Repeat after me. Motivation. The word discipline means doing what you must do, even when you don't feel like it. For example, she practices piano every day. That's discipline. Repeat after me, discipline. The word routine means a regular way of doing things, usually every day. For example, my morning routine helps me start the day calmly. Repeat after me, routine. The word craftsmanship means skill and care in making something by hand. For example, the table shows beautiful craftsmanship. Repeat after me, craftsmanship. The word consistent means doing something regularly without stopping. For example, be consistent with your English practice. Repeat after me, consistent. The word process means the steps you take to finish something. For example, learning a language is a slow process, and that's okay. Repeat after me, process. Don't wait for motivation. Fall in love with the process. If this story inspired you, like this video and comment one thing you learned today. Remember, every story teaches a word, and every word teaches a lesson.